going to replace the electrical. I'm going to replace the plumbing. Why? Because 50 years ago, they didn't have iPads and video games, and everybody had a phone and then the flat screen TV. So now, if you don't upgrade the plumbing, the breaker's gonna trip. You're gonna have all kinds of issues here and there. So I replace the plumbing, I replace the electrical, because I know that it's gonna cause me less headaches in the long run. And if I'm already there doing the work, why not go ahead and do it right on the front end? It may cost me an extra $3,000-$4,000, but it's gonna make me more money in the long run. Now, remember what I said. I've put Band-Aids on stuff, got tenants in there, and just made my money before. And that was because that was where I was at. I didn't have the capital, and I also didn't have the knowledge to know what to do and when. So let's take another example. Your underground plumbing, your drain lines. If you have one person living in a house and the drain line is broke, you can flush the toilet and you will seemingly have no problem because it's one full toilet flush at a time. But if you have a husband, a wife, and 4 kids, and one person's taking a bath, another person's flushing the toilet, the washer's running, and somebody's doing dishes, and all that water's draining at once, it's gonna start to back up. So while I know it may be a broken drain line, early on, I didn't really know to fix that, but I also didn't have the capital. So when they would call and say, such and such is backing up, I would just go out and fix it. Now, because I know it's a potential issue, I may invest the extra $4,000 or $5,000 to dig the lines up, make sure it's done right, because I don't want those calls in the future. And when you do stuff like electrical, plumbing, you're improving the value of your property.